Good morning, third class children. Children, what did you learn in the previous class? Water is life lesson. Water cycle, how much percentage of water on the earth surface, how much percentage of water in oceans and seas, how much percentage of water in rivers, lakes, and how much percentage of water salty water, and how much percentage of drinking fresh water. Okay children, now I am going to explain about how water is contaminated due to various human activities. Okay children, see here children, observe these pictures. This contaminated water, this is a contaminated water, this is a contaminated water. Is this fit for human consumption? No. Why? This is contaminated water. Why? Who is responsible and who is affected by this? Human being. Okay children, this is contaminated water. Industrialization, discharge of domestic waste, radioactivity waste, population growth, excessive use of pesticides, fertilizers, and large farm water tanks are major source of water pollution. These wastes have negative effect of human health. Okay children, understood? See these pictures. With the help of the given picture, explain how water is contaminated due to various human activities. See here children, what is this picture? Observe wastewater from factories. This picture children, washing clothes is contaminating the water. Next see here, cattle are being washed and polluted with water. Look at this picture children. Garbage was dumped and water was polluted. Next, see here children, applying pesticides to the farm will pollute the water. Next, see here, Pushkara bath in the river are polluting the water. See here, pesticides are being dumped in the water and polluting the water. See here children, Vinayaka Chavati festivals. The idols for the Vinayaka Chavati festival are being polluted by mixing them in water. The water is these water bodies is dirty and contaminated because of various human activities. These are human activities. It is not safe for drinking and cooking. This can be dangerous to our health as it contains harmful germs. Consuming this water may lead to many diseases like vomiting, dysentery, jaundice, cholera, etc. Dysentery, jaundice, cholera, etc. Water from tanks and ponds should not be used for drinking and cooking unless it is purified. Okay children, understood? This water is contaminated water, polluted water. Don't use this type of water cooking, drinking. Not safe for drinking and cooking. Which water is safe to drink? Clean water, fresh water. When we play and do different works, our hands become dirty with dust, microbes and impurities. When we put our hands in water without washing them, all the above sides particles, organisms will seep into the water and it will be contaminated. If you drink this water, you might get diseases. We should drink clean water only. We should drink clean water only. This type of water not safe for drinking. Okay, children, when we play and you do different works, our hands wash your hands neatly, cleanly. Okay, we should drink clean water only. This type of water is safe to drink. Fresh tap water, boiled water and filter water. Here also filter, this is a filter. Chlorine tablets water. This is water purify mission. Water is one of our natural resource, natural non-living things. Already you learned about living and non-living things lesson. What are natural non-living things? Water, soil, rock. These are called natural non-living things. Water is one of our natural resource. It is the source of life and a basic need for all living beings. What are basic needs of all living beings? Water, food, air, shelter. Okay. It is essential for both plants and animals to survival. Both plants and animals basic need. Essential. Water. It is essential for both plants and animals to survive. The main water source in rain. What is the main water source, children? Rain is main water source. It does not bring any additional water every year. It may be hard to believe that the world has the same amount of water today as when water was formed on the earth long ago. Water cannot be created. The main source of water source is rain, children. The main water source is rain. Water cannot be created. Next, look at this picture. So many people are here. Why have so many people gathered around a well? Fresh water. For drinking water. What happened to this water body? See here, children. Water body dried in summer season. Next, why is this farmer looking wearily at the sky? The farmer is waiting for the rain. Why? The main water source is rain, because the farmer is waiting for the rain. Useful fresh water is becoming scarce day by day, and the people are not getting sufficient water. The water scarcity will be more during summer as the wells and ponds dry up. See here, children. Observe this picture. What do you see in this picture? A kid is collecting rainwater from the rooftop of this house. See here. Rooftop. This water can be used for different purposes other than drinking and cooking. This technique is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can also be stored for later use. What is this called, children? What is this called, this technique? This technique is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be also be stored for a later use. Next, see here children. The following rainwater on the surface of the earth runoff can be directed into the soak pit, recharge pit. To recharge underground water, we can store high quantity of water inside the earth like a reservoir. Next, see here children. Washing vegetables or fruits. Reducing the wastage of water and using the available water wisely is also very important. This is called conservation of water. This also refers to recycling of wastewater for other purpose. For example, the water used to wash vegetables, fruits, and food grains can be used to water the plants in our home. Okay children, used to wash vegetable, fruits, the water used to wash vegetables, fruits and food grains like rice can be used to water the plants in our homes. Next, conservation of water starts at home. See here, don't leave the tap running while brushing your teeth. Okay children, follow these rules at home. Take bath using a bucket and a mug. Next, turn off leaking and dropping taps. Don't use house for watering and cleaning. These type of rules follow at home. Conservation of water starts at home. Think of some more ways to save every drop of fresh water because each single drop counts. Okay children, you have very limited fresh water resource at our disposals. On the other hand, water pollution is increasing day by day. We don't get any additional water through rains. Think and discuss children. Okay, follow these rules children at home. Don't leave the tap running while brushing your teeth. Taking bath using a bucket and a mug. Next, turn off your leaking and dropping taps. Don't use a house for watering and cleaning. Look at this picture children. Do you know this is a village pond? The village pond is a central point to the life and prosperity of the whole village in rural areas. The rainwater gets naturally harvested by the pond and is stored up for a long time. This also recharges the groundwater and help in year-round conservation of water and its biodiversity. But the village ponds are being contaminated by people as they are misusing the ponds to wash clothes, vessels, cattle and also to dump waste. Restoration and better management of these ponds will enhance the quality of life in the village. See here children, what is this? What do you see in this picture? This is a simple check dam across a small stream. One side of this dam acts as a small reservoir of water. Is this of any help to increase groundwater? Yes. See here children, she drink water. Water is one of the essential natural resource for human survival. Its quality and quantity determines our health. Okay children, understood? Water is very important children. Water is one of the essential natural resource for human survival. So don't waste water children, don't pollute water. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.